Cough, sore throat or phlegm keeping you up at night? This simple honey salt mix soothes your throat, clears phlegm, and strengthens your lungs naturally. Take a clean jar, add pure honey, mix in a pinch of salt, squeeze a little lemon, stir well. Follow me now so you don't miss other powerful natural remedies like this. Take 1 teaspoon in the morning and another at night. It calms dry cough, eases sore throat, helps asthma sufferers breathe easier, and removes built-up phlegm. Try it tonight, and if this video resonates with you, type 1 in the comments section. If not, type 0, and don't forget to follow for more simple, life-changing health tips.